See, whenever if you create an EC2 instance, by default, which is available in the sense root volume. Assume this is the root volume. There I'm going to give the naming convention. This is EC2. This is EC2. This is nothing but we're going to tell is the root volume. Root volume. Root volume. This is the slash. Till now, no problem, right? I hope till now you know it. According to whenever we create an EC2 instance, which volumes we may create, this is also EBS volume only. This is also root volume, also EBS only. This is also EBS volume. Got it or not? What is the default volume size? Whenever if we create an EC2 instance, 8 GB. 8 GB. 8 GB. Good. See, in this root volume, we can able to install applications. Or agree with me? Anyone? Can I install NGINX here? Is it possible? Quick response. Yes, we can install. Yes, we can install. There I'm installing NGINX. I can able to access my application. NGINX Azure. I'm able to access. Unfortunately, someone is terminated this EC2 instance. Someone is terminated. What may happen about NGINX? We may lose or we can regain. Because of if you terminate your EC2 instance, automatically your root volume also will destroy. Root volume also will destroy. For that, what we are going to do? We are creating additional volume. We are creating additional volume. This volume we are attaching to our EC2 instance. Technically, this is the root volume. This is additional. Generally, we can call it as this is also EBS volume. EBS, Elastic Block Storage, EBS volume. Someone is trying to join. Yeah. Till now, are anyone feel any difficulty, ma? I hope clear, right? Is it okay? Now, see, creating volume is not a complex. Even attaching also very simple. We can attach it. First, we'll do it. We can attach it. Simply, I'm going to my EC2. There quickly, I may stop here. There I may go to instance. There EC2 instances observe. There one EC2 instances. First, you need to check this instance is created in which availability zone. That is important. What is availability zone? US East 1. If you want to attach an EBS volume, that must create within same availability zone. Otherwise, we can't attach. Otherwise, we can't attach. Is it okay for you? Now I'm going to create volumes. I'm going to enter into volumes area. There I'm entering. See, already some existing is there. I'm going to remove it for your easy understanding. There I'm going to detach first. Force detach. Yes, detach it. Now I'm going to create in front of. First, I may create one volume, create volume. That volume is 1 GB volume, but where I am creating within US East 1 MB. But actually, where you want to create 1D, 1D, but I am creating 1A. Unfortunately, I am doing like this, but I forgot to identify the available zone, but I am creating. It may create, no worries. Is it creating or not? See, the exist one only detached. I deleted or not yet. Till now I didn't delete, right? 1D I want to delete first. 1D, this is 1D ma. I am going to delete. Delete all. Delete. Just now which one I created? Again 1 GB. Where it got created in which zone? US East 1A. Our intention is this is available, right? I am going to attach this. Am I able to attach or not? First, you need to check. Going to attach. Whenever if you want to attach, going to check about running instances. Are you able to see running instances? Why I am not able to see running instances? Anyone can quick response? Because of we created an EC2 instance in which available to zone? One D. EC2 instance where it is available? 1D. See, try to understand this is diagram. This is nothing but US East, US East 1D, 1D. This is also where I created assume US East 1D. Then only we can attach. See, somewhere I created one more. Which one? Their volume. This is another volume where I created the latest volume. US East 1A. US East 1A. 1A zone. 1A zone volume can able to attach to 1D zone EC2 instance? Not possible. This you need to remember. This is the interview question. Is it clear, Monica? Yes. I hope this is clear or not. One zone volume we cannot attach to another zone EC2 instance. Only you must create. Maybe you may create it 1A. You want to modify to 1D. Not possible. That also. What will you do? Simply, I'm going to EC2 instance. They are going to volumes. First, I need to delete this because of no use of this. Because of no use of this, going to actions, going to delete volume. Yes, I am delete. Now simply, now quick guidance. I want to create one more volume. Just volume is creating with 1 GB. You may ask, in 100 GB also volume I can create. We need to pay. This is the paid service. This is the paid service. There we need to select available to zone 1D. There I am not encrypting. If really wanted, we can encrypt it. For encryption also, we need to pay. Anyway, I may refresh it. Yes, refresh. Now you try it. Select this one. You may try to go to actions. There attach volume. Now check it. Are you able to attach or not? Yes, we can able to attach. See, after attaching, you need to set the device name. You need to select. See, try to take DEV SDF. You can take any name. That is your wish. Maybe now I am taking SDF. Now you may take another name. Just attach what? You may ask me, what is the speciality of this? What is the speciality of this? Again, I am going to diagram. This is the root volume, right? Root volume by default attached into whom? EC2 instance. What is this in our scenario? This is the additional volume. This is 8 GB. This is 1 GB. See, OS where it is available within the root volume. Our applications where I am going to installing, within the EBS volume. That is the advantage here. Within the EBS volume. Are understanding that? What is the advantage here? If my application here it is there. If something going wrong, which is deleted, which is terminated, EC2 is terminated, root volume is terminated. But our application where it is there, in additional volume is there. What is the advantage here? This additional volume, if required, I can able to attach to one more EC2 instance. One more EC2 instance. See, you are creating one more EC2 instance. By default, that is also having which one? Root volume. That is not a problem. This is the root volume. It contain OS. Now, what is the thing here? This additional volume I am attaching to here. From hereafter, by using CLI or by using console, can I able to access this application? Yes or no? Shall we try practically? We can able to understand. See, for very simple, already attached, right? Already attached. How can you know? Real attached or not? How can I understand? Go to here. There, go to EC2 instances. Click on EC2 instance. Console ID. Their instance ID. Click on yes. See, going to this is not required. Connect. Generally, if you want to connect till today, which way you can connect? SSH hyphen client. There in your local system, git bash is there. There you need to access. With FEM5. But I am going very simple way. EC2 instance connect. Simply click on connect. If you are the right person, very easy to work. If you are having console access, this is easy way. You may ask, without console access, can I able to connect this? Not possible. I'll tell you other way by using CLI. If you have doubt, ask me. I'll do it. That one also no problem. Now sudo -i, sudo -i. Now you may ask me, see two volumes are there. Two volumes are there. One is the root volume, another one is the additional volume. How can you know? ls, blk. Somewhere we discussed in Linux commands. Now everybody check it. Are you able to see? This is the root volume. This is the root volume. See, slash is there. See, mount point. This is the mount path slash. This is the root volume. How much GB? 8 GB. What is the additional volume size? Please respond. 1 GB. See, this additional volume, is it mounted or not? Anyone can observe and tell me? How can I know is it mounted or not mounted? In mount points, are you able to see any slash? Are you able to see any folder name? Are you able to see any other slashes? No. Is it clear? Shall I move on? Ganesh, still now clear or not? How can I see? There by using LSBLK. Elastic block storage. Elastic block storage. Now, what I want to do? This new volume, I want to mount. Before mounting, you need to format this. See, generally, pen drive you purchased or hard disk you purchased. Before installing application, what will you do? First, you need to format. Before copying, before doing some activity, you need to format or not? Yes, you need to format. Now, for this, I'm having a small documentation. You may see here, I'm having small documentation. Maybe this one I'll share for you. This you need to follow. Industry also follow same strategy only. First command what I use, please respond. LSBLK. LSBLK stands for Elastic Block Storage. Now I want to create a, see, MKFS, make file system. Make file system with extended 4 format. Extended 1 is there, extended 2 is there, extended 3 is there. Now we are using extended file format. Extended file format. See, which drive you want to format, make a file system. Check it here. What is the drive name here? XVDF. See, what is the command that I use? mkfs dot ext4. Check it here. mkfs even they took in between -t, right? -t. You may take that one also. There mkfs -t, there ext4 extended 4. What you need to /dev represents device. Which device name? xvdf. Everybody understood, right? I'm making a file system. What is the file system I'm using? Extended 4. For which drive I want to specify? For our EBS volume. See. Now from hereafter, again you may check LSBLK. Till now also nothing, but internally formatted file system is created. Hereafter, what will you do? You need to mount it. CLER clear. How can you mount? You need to first, before going to mount, you may create mkdir, make directory /data, or you can give any name /data. I may give DevApps at least. DEV OPS DevApps. Is it okay for you? Now I am going to MOUNT mount. Which one you want to mount it? /dev /xvdf /dev OPS. See, is it okay for you? Yes. From hereafter, how will you check? Again LSBLK. Whenever doubt is there, now check it. /DevApps. Everybody have you seen, right? Till now, anyone facing any difficulty? What, Ganesh? Clear? See, once you complete this one, you need to go for BLK ID, block ID, BLK ID block. This is the command, LSBLK like that, block ID. See, within that text, you need to check for wherever UUID is there. See, many places UID is there, right? Many places UUID is there. See, this UUID I'm taking. This UUID, check it here. DEB/XVDF. This is only our drive, right? This is only our drive. This UUID you need to copy. This UUID you need to copy. Till now clear? Yes. I am copying. I am copying. After copying this, see vi/etc is the folder name is etc. Within that FSTA file system tab. File system tab. There I am going to press enter. See, within this, wherever the last line is there, maybe you may go to one more line, maybe or else within the last line, what will you do? Wherever UID is there, you can able to just paste it. Paste it. I pasted. After pasting, space, insert. I hope this is correct only, right? D. Now, what is our folder name? Quick response. DevApps. There, DEV OPS. Now, till now, is it okay for you? What is the file system we are using? ext4. This is the by default. What I require? Read mode, write mode, executable mode, all modes I wanted. See, whenever booting, don't go for failings. Don't go for failings. Then this is the options 0 and 2. 0 and 2. Just if you want to know maybe more things, just copy paste it on the chat GPT. That will give multiple things. Is it okay for you? Why you need to paste here in FS tab? Whenever if you reboot your system, that mounted file system, it won't remember. If it want to memorize, it want to store permanently, where you need to configure FS tab. FS tab. Is it okay for you? Just escape, shift colon, next. Now I hope I complete. After that, cd slash DevApps, DEV, OPS. If I am not wrong, am I entering right? Now I go for, see, I may use TOUCH, touch their file 1 or file their 1.100.txt. See, till now clear? You may able to check ls-ltr. These files are there. Yes. Once everything is fine, what will you do? You need to go for unmounted. Assume our work is finished. What will you do? I mounted, I added my important data. Then what I will do? See, my USB drive is there. I can able to connect. I'm able to see I'm able to watch the movie. Again, I may disconnect. In the same way, I'm a user mount command. In the same way, I need to go for unmount. When can I unmount? One step back. Got it or not? After that, you mount. See, for mount only. For unmount, you mount. There is no unmount. You mount. What you mounted actually /DEV/XV Is it okay for you? Just enter. Is it unmounted, right? How can we check? LSBL. Till now clear, everybody? Till now, anyone facing any difficulty, please respond. We used LSBLK and also used block ID, used MKFS, make file system, and we used mount command, we used umount command. From hereafter, what I may do, please respond. Now check it here, going to my work. What about instance? Please observe instance. There, within the instance, going to volumes, there which volume already we attached? This volume only, right? See, how can you know is it really attached or not? In use, user volume, I am converting into on. There, select it 1 GB, going to actions, see, I am going to detach. Don't go for post detach. If not supporting properly detach, then only go for post detach. Now click on detach. Now after detaching, observe here, you may see You may see after 10 seconds, you may see available. Now you may ask me what I made. Select this volume, I am going to actions. We are going to create a snapshot. Shall I click on create snapshot? Yes. Or else you may ask me. Maybe you may create one more instance. This instance, will you try to attach to another instance? Is it possible? Yes, it is possible. Is it possible? Yes, it is possible. But I am not doing. You may try it. You may try it. But what I am going to do? Create snapshot. See, I am giving the snapshot details. Description. Description is okay. Which one? Maybe volume. VOLUME volume snapshot. Volume snapshot. Now click on create snapshot. Click on create snapshot. Now going to snapshots, you may able to see snapshot is created. If you want it, you can give the naming convention. See EBS snap. I am giving EBS SN AP EBS snap. Now enter. You may able to see EBS snap. Observe carefully. It is in pending. What it is doing? It is taking what is snapshot backup of a point of time volume. Backup of a point of time volume. One volume is there. That volume attached. After attaching, I mounted. After mounted, I added some content. After adding content, again I dismounted. After dismount only, I detached. Detached volume only, I took the snapshot. This is the industry processor. Industry processor. Without detaching also we can do snapshot. Not possible. But sometimes we may get errors. We may that too you want it. I can show you. If you open your account in front of me, if you do it, 100% you will get errors. Now you may get there. Just we go for this is the complete. What is the power of this? What is the power of this? Again, I may go to my MS Paint. I may give little scenario. Then I'll come to here. See, one more thing I am going to control N. Please observe. Don't say. This I am converting into two parts. One is there. This is US East. Now we are in the US East. Are you agree with me? US East 1D. We are 1D only our instance is running. Are you agree with me? This is I am going with the AP South AP SOU AP South. Till now I don't know. Maybe 1 year, 1 way or 1 leave it. See, I took snapshot. Where I took snapshot, try to understand. Assume this is the snapshot. I'm not talking about instance. My snapshot name is, I took what is the name? EBS SNAP. EBS SNAP. You may ask me, why do you go for snapshot? Assume this is the volume. This is the volume already having detached volume. You may ask me, can I able to move? Can I able to move? I am asking a question. Can I able to move like this? Control C, Control C, Control V, or else can I able to move from here to here? Volumes are not possible to move. Even one availability zone to another availability zone. How can I move? This is one region. This is another region. Is it okay for you? I may go for Control Z. Is it okay for you? Which can move? See, this snapshot, what is the specialty here? I took a snapshot, Control C and Control V. I can easily copy from one region to another region. Till now clear? What I can do? I took a snapshot. This snapshot, I can copy from one region to another region. Region is different, availability zone is different. This is the region. This is the region. Internally, we may go with availability zone. See, in US East, how many availability zones are there? 6 availability zone. In AP South, how many availability zone? 3 availability zone. 3 availability. Highest 6, minimum 3. Minimum 3. Till now clear? This is what is that? This one snapshot or volume? This is purely a snapshot. Purely till now I didn't do. We need to apply this one. How to apply this? Now, where is my snapshot? You select this snapshot carefully. Now, I am in United States only, right? US is 1D according to our scenario. Yes. See, this one where it is created. See, there is no specific, I think. Snapshot, there is no specific. For volume, there is a specific availability. So, select this one, go into actions, there copy snapshot. Is there right? Copy snapshot. You need to copy it. See, once I copy, it may ask where you want to, the description leave it there, where you want to copy. It may ask where you want to, there US East. Now I am going to select AP South. See, AP South, AP South, AP South one only, right? AP US East one, like that, AP South one, AP South one. Now, anyone facing any difficulty, click on copy snapshot. Again, it will take 1 minute or 2 minutes. 1 minute or 2 minutes. See, once it is copied, now I am going to AP South. Now I am moving to AP South. This is the region specific volumes and snapshot, everything region specific. Where is my AP South? Mumbai. Yeah, Mumbai. I am going to Mumbai. Why I am going to Mumbai? I copied my snapshot from US East 1 to AP South 1. US East 1 to AP South. Maybe in many interviews, they asked me one question. If I create one key in US East 1, same key can I use in maybe AP South 1? They may ask like this. Not possible. Keys are also belongs to region specific. Region specific. Now, see, this is where I am in. Now observe Asia Pacific. What is this? This is nothing but snapshot. Are you agree with me? Yes. Now I am going to EC2. Now I am going to EC2. Here, click on EC2. Click on EC2. What happened? I am in EC2 only, right? Now launch instance. Launch instance. Now there EC2. EC2 for EC2 for AP South, AP South. Same procedure. I'm not doing anything. Even I can connect automatically. Even though I connect automatically, I'm going to create a key pair. There, create key pair. Maybe I'm going to take AP South or AP SOUTH. Don't give spaces. That is the best practice. If you give spaces, it won't connect. You may try it. It never connect. There even, I think this is sufficient. I am going to launch instance. Good. Okay, instance is launching. Leave about that. Now we are going to EC2. There within this AP South, we are going to click on snapshot. Now, what is our theory? See, from volume to snapshot I created. From snapshot to volume, now I may create. Yes. See what I am selecting here, that snapshot. Now, quickly go for actions. There, where is that? Create volume option. Are you able to see? Now, still it is in pending. It is in running. And now it is completed. Now you can able to create. Now you can able to create actions. See here, create volume from snapshot. Create volume from snapshot. Is it okay for you? Yes. Before going to create volume, you need to check your instance where it got created. First, again, you will go and check it. Go to instances, going to click on running instances. See here, AP South 1B is there. That is important. AP South 1B is there. Now you are going to click on snapshot. From that snapshot, select that one. There, click on actions. Go to create volume from snapshot. And now please respond. I am taking 1 GB only. 1 GB only. Here 1A is there. What is our requirement? 1B. Now good to go. Click on create volume. Till now, is it okay for you? Volume is created. Volume. This volume going to volumes. going to volumes. You may refresh it. See, are you able to see 1 GB? Now, is it available? Yes, it is available. What will you do? Click. Select this one. Go to actions. Go to actions. What will you do? Attach volume. For which one you need to attach? For running EC2 instance. For running EC2 instance, they are attached. It is asking device name, right? Yes. We need to go for again div SDL. Device SDL. See, I said right. This is the local, that is the local, not global. This is the regional. This is the regional. We can give another name also, no problem. Okay, good. Again, I am going to graphical representation. SEMA. Here, what I did till now, I created one more EC2 instance. I think someone is trying to log in. Where they are? Ganesh, you only disconnect and reconnected?
No, sir. No, sir.
Okay, okay. Okay, now good to go. Who is Rasi? Rasi, very good evening. Okay, just follow up what I am trying to say. Now observe where I am in MS Paint, right? See, all of you observe. This is already existing EC2 instance. This is already existing EC2 instance with existing root volume. From that, what I created, this is the root volume. I took one more volume. I created one more volume. From this is the volume. Already it got attached here. From this volume, what I did, this is the volume attached. From this volume, what I did, I created one snapshot. Everybody know snapshot. See this snapshot. From this snapshot, I copied from one region to another region. One region to another region. Just like one village to another village. I copied from here to here. From here, what I did, I created one more volume. I created one more volume. This volume. This is the volume. From where to where I created? This is the snapshot to volume. This volume, what I may do, anyone respond? I'm attaching to EC2 instance. This is also an EC2 instance. This is also an EC2 instance. This is also an EC2 instance. What is the difference here? This EC2 instance, where it is there in US. This EC2 instance, where it is there in Mumbai. See, US EC2 instance data where I want attaching in Mumbai EC2 instance, I'm going to attach. Look, after attaching, we need to see the data, right? That is the important thing. Attaching is very simple. See, did I attach or not? Quick response. We'll go and check it. Is it really attached? Now, am I attached or not? Anyone can quick response? Yes. I hope 1 GB. 1 GB. I hope I got attached. How can I know attached or not? See, yes. If it is in use, that is a attachment. Which data I created there, I added there, maybe file 1 to file 100. File 1 to file 100. You may check it. How can I check it? Go to EC2 instances. Then what I need to click their instance ID. How can I connect? Click on connect, there connect. Simply connect. See, once you connected, you need to enter into root. You need to enter into root login. How can you enter into root login? Anyone can guide me? Sudo -i. Now ls-blk. See, here also XVDF, our volume is there, 1 GB is there, 1 GB is there. There you dismounted, right? What will you do? You need to mount. I'm asking a small doubt. Again, can I need a format? Anyone can guess it? See, you given one pen drive to me. I copied one movie to you. After entering into your local system, will you format it or will you just watch your movie? Watch the movie. Only watch the movie. See, connecting your that pen drive to your computer is nothing but mount. That is the meaning of mount. Shall I go for mount it? Yes, I need to mount it. How can I mount? How can I mount? Anyone can guide me? There, just you need to go for MOUNT mount. MOUNT. There slash DEV slash XVDF. Now slash XVDF. How can I XVDF? XVDF. There. What is the folder name? Anyone can guess it? Slash slash DEV OPS. Slash DEV OPS. Check it. Now what happened? Mount DevApps mount point does not exist. Okay, no worries. Simply you go for up to XVDF. What happened? Can't find in etc. Oh, in FSTab it is checking that is not identified. In FSTab is not identified. I think spelling correct only, right? MOUNT slash DEV slash XVDF. We need to check for FSTab. We need to check for FSTab file system tab that is not there. File system tab that is not there. What I may do? Their mount is correct only. Mount is correct only. Slash DEV slash XVDF. Now you may check CD slash DevApps. No, not working. Not working. Little problem persist. Little problem. What was the problem? Their FS file system data is removed. What I may try, I may do little modification. You may check. Now this is right? This is the right thing, right? According to, I think I modified one. This is not modified, I think. Maybe there I may go for which one? North Virginia. Once again, I am going to North Virginia. There only I need to get it, right? Yes. There only I need to get it. Where is my North Virginia? Quick observation. Going to here. Going to here. This is the North Virginia. In our North Virginia, there quickly you go for where is our instances. This is the instance running, right? Yes. Yes. Now click on here. Just close this. Click on here. What happening? Failed to fetch instance. The instance ID does not exist. What happened? Is it instance from United States only, right? Till now I didn't delete. No, I didn't do anything. But it is facing difficulty. Anyway, no problem. Going to connect. Oh, connection failed. Failed to fetch instance. The instance ID does not exist. Why instance ID does not exist? New EC to instance. New EC to instance. We may refresh. We may refresh. Good to go. Click on instance ID. Now it is okay for you. Yes. Now connect it. Connect it. Now going to check. Going to check. There click on connect. Now it is connecting. Now it is connected. There you will see the FS table. File system table. How can I check FS table? That is expecting FS table. Sudo hyphen I. Sudo hyphen I. Now how can I enter into that? VI slash etc slash FS tab. FS table. See this one that is expecting. This line that is expecting. Okay, we'll try this. I'm copying from here to there. Copy it. Copy it. Yes, I. Now where should I move? Escape. Shift colon X. This is searching for that one. Now I am moving to again this instance where I need to go. United States to Mumbai. United States to Mumbai. Now I may refresh it. I may refresh it. Even in maybe other online classes, they will show you how to create volume. They will show you how to create snapshot. They never attach again volume to another EC2 instance. Okay, because of we want to work with real time, we must learn. You may get some problems. We need to manage those problems. How to resolve it? How to resolve it? We are going to learn it. Now what shall I do? There, click on here, click on here. Now what to do? Quick response. Click on connect, right? Click on connect. How can I connect? EC2 instance connect. There, click on connect. This is another EC2 instance. Try to understand this. Within the another EC2 instance, now what shall I do? Quick guidance. Sudo hyphen I. Where I am in? Actually, I am in US. From US to again I came to here in AP South. That is the Mumbai. Now please respond. vi/etc/fstab file system table. File system that is searching for here. Is there such environment? No. What I may do? There end insert enter enter. There I am going to paste it over here. Is it okay for you? Now escape shift:x. Shift:x. From hereafter, we need to try for mount. You need to try for mount. What was the command for mount? mount. Mount, right? Yes. Mount. What you want to mount? /dev /xv xv. How can I check? Very simple. ls_bl. Okay, check it. What is the? It is the drive name. xvdf, right? Now mount/dev slash this xvdf slash dev ops. We are checking. Now what happening? DevApp mount point does not exist. Okay, leave about DevApp's mount point. You may go up to this. You may go up to this. What happened? Mount point does not exist. Which mount point? MOUNT mount. DevApps mount. Oh, that is expecting for the DevApps is there, right? DevApps is there. For that, what I may do? mkdir make directory -p. Try to understand /dev ops DevApps. And now I may try for mount/dev /xvdf. What is that? /dev ops. Now it is accepted, right? But we may see the little problem. Leave about that problem. I'll maybe show you another way. Now what is our intention? cd/devapps. cd/dev ops. Now I am a mood, right? But actually ls-ltr, if I use see, same data is there, right? See, perfectly you got it. Ganesh, got the clarity? See, from US to India, we got US data into India. From US instance to Indian instance. See, you know the word migration from one area to another area. See, I migrated. See, some maybe Dubai to India, we get some gold, maybe 100 grams, maybe 300 grams, free. More than that, you need to pay tax. Here, very simple way, I may move from one location to another location. How can I move? Again, I'm explaining graphically. MS Paint. See, I'm having two regions are available to join. Quick response. This is two regions. What are the first region? Quick response. US East 1. US East 1. This is one region. US East 1. This is AP South 1. AP South 1. See, in US East 1, I am having one EC2. Try to understand. One EC2. Similar way, here also I am having one more EC2. What is my requirement is this EC2 instance having assumption I am giving. Assume welcome message. I don't want to retype here. I want to gain this message here. This is the confidential data. No one can see, no one can touch. But I want to get same data here. What to do? we did first, we created a volume. From that volume, we created a snapshot. From this snapshot, we copied snapshot here. From this snapshot, we created a volume here. This volume, what I did, this volume is mounted to this EC2 instance. This is look like very simple. If you practice it, you may get lot many problems. Even you have seen in my screen also. Anyway, you got the information or not? Yes, we can get it. Rasi, little bit have you understood, ma? Not yet. See, till now you know little bit about DevOps or you don't know, you are very new. Please try to talk more because of then only I can understand. Otherwise, not possible to understand. Okay, anyway, this is the diagrammatic representation is like this and like this. See, this is the way from one region to another region, one region to another region. Now, you know the little clarity. What is volume? What is VOLUM volume? What is snapshot? See, what are the volume? Volumes are the mounts. Volumes are the mounts of data. We are mounting data to through a volume. What is snapshot? See, point in time. Point in time of backup of a of a of a wall of a wall. Is it okay for you? Use point in time of backup of a volume is nothing but snapshot. Is nothing but snapshot. Ganesh, you got the little clarity. Till now you know volume. Till now you know snapshot. Now I am going to explain something. Go to again EC2 their instance. Now try to observe here. My left side pane, so many options are there. I'm see my intention in this batch. I don't want to leave single option. See dashboard. See what is the dashboard is telling how many instances running. Are able to see how many snapshots are created, how many volumes are there, how many instances are running, are able to see how many key pairs are there in this. Is it okay for key pairs belongs to not a specific EC2. Key pairs are belongs to this AP Asia Pacific Mumbai. Now I am going to North Virginia. At least you may understand. US East one. US East one. Here also see this is the dashboard. This is the dashboard. Here also how many instances running? One. How many security groups are there? 16. How many snapshots are there? Even see one load balancer is running. Observing how many volumes are there? Two volumes. This is the dashboard. See, EC2 global view. What does it mean? All the regions. See here how many regions are there? So many are there, right? Nearly 33 plus regions are there. I am clicking EC2 global. See what it will tell, what it will show you belongs to all the regions. How many instances are running, where it is running. See, instances. See, enabled regions, how many are there? We are going to, if you wanted, you can work with 17 regions according to our account. Okay. Here, how many instances are running? You can easily tell. One instance belongs to US East, another instance belongs to AP South. You may ask me, no, sir, I want to see that also very clearly. Click on here. See what it is telling. Instances by region, AP South one, US East one. See, whenever if you get more bill, in this way you can identify. Maybe something wrong areas, wrong instances, someone may created, or unfortunately we may created. Like this we can identify. Where we can view all. Like this we can view. What shall I do? Maybe select this. We are going to stop it. We are going to stop it. Ganesh, till now clear or not? Respond. Now again go to EC2. EC2. Now click on EC2. Now first two options are clear, right? Yes. Now third option, events. Events are nothing but actions. Till now no event. Generally, what are the events? Events in the sense something happened. Till now not happen according to this scenario. Now go for this. These are the purchase types. These are the purchase types. Anyway, click on instances. You may see what are the instances are running. What are the instances? Instance name, instance ID, instance state, instance type, everything we can able to see. This one also clear, right? Instance types. See, in real time, we never work with T2 micro. We may work with minimum, see, X2 large or M5. Minimum, you may go with M5A. What is the advantage here? How much memory it is using? 32 GB. How many core CPU? 8 core CPU. If you use this one for 1 hour, you need to pay per 1 hour 100 rupees. As a learner, which is easy to instance we are going to work with? T2 micro only. As a industry professional, in future, you may work with like this. See, what is the highest capacity? Please observe here. What is the highest capacity is there? Are able to see more memory, more CPU. See here, how many CPUs? 192 CPUs. How much memory? 768 GB RAM. Generally, maybe once upon a time, I felt that I want to work with at least 1 hour 1 hour with IBM computer. Got it? But I am working like that. See, in real time, see, if you want to purchase with 192 core CPU laptop, 768 GB RAM, you need to spend at least 50 lakhs. Otherwise, you won't get, not possible. You may try this much of core CPUs, not possible. Only IBM will provide. See, IBM least cost, maybe that real time computer is 34 lakhs. Minimum cost 34 lakhs. Okay. Okay. Now we are moving. Now, I hope till now clear. See, launch a template. What is the advantage of launch? You know the word meaning of template? Anyone can quick response? Ready-made component, ready-to-use component. See, you need to specify some rules and regulations. Which purpose? If in future, if you want to create an instance, we are selecting options, right? Without selecting those options, automatically once you click, automatically instance will create. See, create launch template. Suppose I am clicking create launch template. What it is asking launch template name and description. Maybe my template. I am giving like that. My template. See, template version description. You may write something, maybe version 1, maybe version 1. See, auto scaling guidance. Till now you don't know. Till now you don't know. See what it is expecting. Don't include a launch template. See, recently launched, currently in use. See, I am selecting currently in use. Are you able to see anything here? Yes. What is currently in use? I am using one instance, right? Amazon Machine Image AMI. Am I using or not? Or recently launched also it will show. This is the recently launched instances. From this, what will you do? You are creating one launch template. From that, you are going to install your instance, creating a new instance. See, template is ready to use component, ready-made component. We are going to assigning steps. Once you click it, automatically all the steps will work. That is the advantage. That is the advantage. Now, quickly we are going to EC2, their spot request. See, create a spot fleet request. What does it mean? Quickly, you want to create one more instance with spot. Spot means fitting. I may click on. See, these are all paid services. These are all paid services. Just I am showing. If you are having your own account, if you provide me, every option I will create it. Every option we can work with. Every option we can work with. See, this is the spot instance. See, total target capacity. That is how many instances you want to create. See, one instance. If you want it, maybe see, quickly you may create 10 instances. 10 instances. This is spot instance. Is it okay for you? Next one. In the same way, savings plan. What is the meaning of savings plan? See, here observe. This is the interview question. Flexible 66% off. If it's significant discount. How much you may get it? 72%. 70. This is the reserved instances. savings plan, reserved instances. Yesterday you have seen RD, RI, reserved instance. Now see again, savings plan, reserved, both are similar. Check it, both are similar. See, purchase reserved instances. If you click on here, you need to pay bill for 1 year, minimum 1 year. Then only instance will create. We are taking maybe in cell phone, sorry, maybe for 28 days, for 54 days, for 74 days. Maybe prepaid, we are using postpaid, prepaid only. This is like a prepaid. We never go with prepaid as a student. Companies will go with reserved only. Companies will go with reserved only. See, here is the dedicated post. This is also costly. This is also costly. This is also, see, paid service. This is also paid service. Now, capacity reservation. Capacity reservation. What does it mean? For 1 week, for 1 month, for 1 year. Here also we can specify. Generally, we are going to work with very first option. We are going to work with first option only as a learner, as a student. Is it okay for you? Maybe tomorrow we may go with IAM. See, AWS provide their own IAMs, identity, see, AMI, Amazon Mission Image. Here we can create our custom image. We can create our custom. You may ask me, what is the advantage of custom image? See, we are creating an instance, we are installing multiple apps, assume. For installing half an hour it is taken. Tomorrow I may move on to another region. There also I need to create an instance. There also I need to install. See, I established my branch in Tirupati. There I want to re-establish my branch in Kalahasti. What I may do? There I need to take a room. There I need to establish something. There also manpower is required, right? Same thing happening. To avoid such complexity, what I may do? I may create our own Amazon Mission Image. Simply what I may do? I may just launch it there. What will happen? Time saving will happen. Time saving will happen. We'll see tomorrow anyway. Okay. Or if you want to see it, maybe it will take minimum 10 minutes. Minimum 10 minutes. Quickly shall I do it? Or shall we see tomorrow? What, Ganesh? You want to see? Okay. Shall we see tomorrow? Yes. Okay. Okay. We'll see for tomorrow. Tomorrow morning at what time? Tomorrow morning 9 to 10. Evening 6 to 7. These are the fixed times. Okay. Thank you. Maybe 50% of the EC2 concept is over. Remaining 50% is there. These things we'll try for tomorrow. Okay. Thank you. Okay. Subbu, when did you join? At
No,
middle?
I joined, sir.
Okay.
Just 10
Okay.
minutes.
Okay. Have you
I will go.
understood properly or any difficulties
Yeah,
are there?
no,
Okay.
it's okay, sir.
Anyway, I am providing recording for you. If you may try it, if any difficulty, ask.
Okay,
Okay. Thank you. Ma Rasi Reddy, have you understood little bit? I think she exited. Okay, no worries. Okay, thank you.